How to log in to US Bank credit card online. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I can log in to US Bank credit card online. In order to do so, first of all, you will need to visit the official website of US Bank credit card. For that, open any web browser of your choice on your device. Here I have launched my Google Chrome. Now on the search bar in the browser, you will need to type in usbank.com. Once you have entered this keyword, press on the enter key to search for it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of US Bank. Once the page loads, here at the top right, you will be able to locate the login button. You may simply click on it, or you will also be able to see the login interface at the right side of this page. Once you locate it, now you just simply need to use your credentials in order to log into your account. Click on this username field and there type in your username. Once you have entered it, if you want your username to be remembered for future logins, then you may click on this checkbox right here that says remember my username. After that, now enter your password. Click on the password field and there enter your password. Make sure to enter the correct password here. After entering the password, you may also click on this show option at the right side of it in order to reveal and check if you have entered it correctly or not. And once you have entered all the credentials correctly, click on this login button right here. If in case you don't remember your password or username, then you may also click on this forgot username or password link just below the login button, and then from there you'll need to follow the instructions given to you in order to retrieve or reset your credentials. Also, if you haven't registered for it yet, enroll in online banking option and then register for it. Now, after logging into your account, your credit card will be appeared alongside other linked accounts on your account. You will be able to find your credit card once you logged into your US Bank account. So by following these steps, you should be able to log into US Bank credit card account online. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.